Hello. In this session, we are going to learn about the key to vector conversion. I have created a folder for the session 49 and added the data set that we have used in the previous session. In the demo.cs, created the execute method. Let's call the map to vector and create it. We can convert the key column into the vector, but our data set does not have the any key column, so we need to generate it before that. For this, use the map value to key. I'm going to generate a key for the name column and append the new estimator for a map key to binary vector and specify the name for the output column and input column. Paste a line for creating model and generating preview. Put a breakpoint at the end, save the file and run the project. Open the preview in the quick pause. Here you can see that it includes the two new columns. One is the key and another is the vector for that value. Expand it. Vector represent the V buffer of the float. Here you can see that the value and the index detail in the V buffer. Obviously we cannot understand it directly, we need to convert it back to the value. But it does not make any sense to do that. This method will convert the value of the vector of a floating point for that value. We can also create a vector for the floating point value that represent the original key value. Let's create a new method, name map to binary vector, and copy paste the above method. Here we need to use the map key to binary vector. This will create a vector of the binary value and add the debugger at the end. Save the file and run the project. Open the preview. Here you can see that it creates a new column of the vector and it contains the V buffer of the float. Here few records have the dense vector. In the case of map to key vector, we have the all the sparse value. See you in the next session.